All right, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and thanks for joining in. So I'm back again with another exciting matchup for you guys, and I got a BMW and AMG matchup again, and I'm hoping this is going to be a good one. Now I'm back here with the 2017 Mercedes C63 AMG. This one is on upgrade turbos. These are pure 1000s with upgrade intakes, downpipes, running on an E50 Tune. Yes, and his fuel system is upgraded, and he makes right around 800 wheel horsepower and the same amount of torque. Now this car has been put together and tuned by M-Tech, and he's been running up against another car put together and tuned by M-Tech. This is a 2020 BMW M340i. This is a brand new car on the channel. He's on a Precision 6466 turbo with a port injection kit and a full Turboback exhaust system running on E85, and he's currently making right now at 750 wheel horsepower. Now, of course, that turbo can make much more power, but this is where he's at right now. Both of these cars are both these cars are full weight, give or take some pounds, and this should make for a good matchup, considering that the BMW is a little bit lighter and it does make a little less horsepower. But as usual, there's only one way to find out. So both cars be taking one passenger. So let's see how it goes. All right, guys. So I'm here in the C63. Let's get a little burnout going. All right, we're gonna do a second one. Yeah, should be good. Now we just gotta wait on the competition. Here we go. All right, guys. So we are going to do a 50 roll for the BMW. Ready? Are you ready? One, two, three! Very good top end power. Alright, guys, we're gonna do that 50 roll one more time. The driver in the M340i said he messed up a shift, so we're gonna give him the benefit of the doubt. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3! Yep. I saw him going sideways. All right, guys, round 2, take 2. Hold on, let him come. All right. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3! that definitely made it official. This AMG is fast. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Until next time, later.